Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. This video I will show you how to change AdSense account after monetization YouTube channel. First open your YouTube channel dashboard and then tap on monetization options. Here you can see have a YouTube partner program option and next to it is your old Google AdSense publish ID. Now I want to change that Google AdSense ID to another Google AdSense ID. It's my new Google AdSense ID. Now I want to add this AdSense ID in my YouTube channel. Now tap on change option. And then tap on next option. Then complete the verifying that it's you. Then tap on continue option. Then tap to use another account. Then enter your new AdSense account, Gmail. Then tap on continue option. Then tap on set your account. Done. Your YouTube channel, Google AdSense already changes.